guys, it's Tim, it's me. Just starting out with some new vlogs and whatnot. Getting it done. Mainly it's gonna be around drift cars and drifting, track days, all the stuff, all me and my mates getting about. I got this 2J Casita. It's not too bad. Just NA. There's the lines all right there. NA for days, loves it. Heaps of clutch kicks with the R154 gearbox. In the process of building the cage for it. Obviously still have a few crosses and plates to weld in, and then the front door intrusions and whatnot. Got a 90 that I borrowed off my mate Dylan. Hydro set up real done, I think, by Mini Fabrications up in Newcastle. A couple of gauges and that. This was all real nice leather until I decided to rip it out to go with this. I've got the sunroof still all working, but battery in the boot. Had a bit of a hard life before I've got it. The old owner is pretty cool, but walked me through a lot of things with it. Yeah, that's all pretty much it. Trying to get this channel started up so I can send you heaps of stuff and get heaps of videos and drifting. Hope you like it.